Cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky. We are in the kitchen with Miss Allison Davis right here at Wild Thyme. Beautiful kitchen. I love your kitchen here.
Thank you.
It's gorgeous, so homey, and it just has a good feel to it. I like it.
Well, yeah, we have been here about 7 years now, which is crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, opened in 2011.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, it's beautiful. I love it.
Well, I love this time of year because we're talking Keeneland, we're talking cooking, we're talking spring, we're talking new produce coming. I mean, it's just like from now until October, I just get so excited about food because you've got CSAs and farmers market and, you know, warm weather finally.
I can't wait. I can't wait to actually get out. I mean, it's just
sunshine. I mean, we all just come out of hibernation. But everybody's been talking about Keeneland and just different recipes and things that we can do to do simple tailgating food, right?
Okay.
So I was thinking of, this is one of our popular catering items as well, and this one is one that you can make ahead, you can cook, and it would be good served either room temperature or warm.
Okay.
So that's why I wanted to do it, and it's a perfect balance of sweet and salty.
Nice.
And we've been working with bacon all week long, so we're going to be doing some stuffed dates. This is super popular now.
Stuffed dates?
Stuffed dates. These are already pitted dates, but sometimes if you don't get the pitted ones, they will have a pit right in the center.
Yeah.
But you just cut it open, and then you have this little cavity that you can stuff whatever you want in it. I typically will go with cheese, but I've also seen chorizo. So if I have some keto fans or people that are trying to stay away from dairy, you could actually go with some chorizo inside of the date, and then we wrap it with bacon. So I'm just taking a little bit of that cheese there, and then what I like to do is just kind of close it up so the cheese stays inside, and then when it goes in the oven, the chease doesn't, you know, melt out all over the place. So I try to close that up really well. So I'll show you again. You don't want to cut all the way through because then that'll cut it in half because these are already pitted. So we're just kind of making a little indentation or slice, taking a little bit of that cheese. I'm using a goat cheese here. It's one of my favorites, but you could go with anything. I've used cheddar, I've used Gouda. Manchego is really popular because I think of this as a more Spanish tapas style appetizer.
Yeah.
So Manchego cheese is like a sheep's milk cheese from Spain. Then we'll have our bacon. This is thin bacon, but if you're going with thick bacon, definitely par cook it so that you don't.
What do you mean par cook it?
Par cook it means put it in the oven to where it's still soft, but it's kind of halfway cooked.
Okay.
That way you don't overcook the dates and it doesn't get too chewy. But this is pretty thin, so we can just go with the raw bacon.
Okay.
So just kind of wrapping that, and then this will go on a sheet tray.
Okay.
And these will go in the oven just until the bacon is crisp, and then you're done.
And that's
so yeah, I'll sometimes stick a little toothpick in it, but you could serve it with honey. You really don't need it though because the dates are super sweet. Have you had a date before?
You know what? Yes, I have.
Okay.
But I've had it more in like those health bars and things like that. I've never
we
just
did
sat
that,
down and munched
we
on
did
a
that
date.
not too long ago.
Yes,
with
exactly.
The dates.
Yeah.
And they were really great, but they are such a natural sweetener that you really need no other sugar because they are full of it.
Wow. And when this is done, you said it can be served hot or cold. Is that right?
Yeah. So if you're taking it to a tailgate, you pull them out of the oven. These are going to be great at room temperature, so you don't have to keep them warm. You just want to make sure that you've got the bacon cooked all the way through.
Yes, because we love our bacon cooked all the way through. Don't we?
Yeah, nice and crispy.
That's right. Well, thank you, Allison. I love this.
Yeah. And if you don't feel like making it, just give us a call and we can make up several dozen for you for your tailgate.
Exactly, because you do the catering, and we talked about that too. And the catering, you only need like a couple days notice,
that's right? Yeah.
And you can serve quite a few people.
Yeah, just give us a call. You can find other appetizers and things on our website too under our catering tab.
Yeah.
But typically we customize the catering so it really fits with your taste.
Okay.
We don't have a certain menu that we have to stick to. Those are just suggested options.
Really?
But yeah, we can certainly
if people have
take care
ideas
of
what they want, they just call you.
Yeah,
and
as
say,
we're
"Can you
getting
do
ready
this?"
for Keeneland and Derby, we're starting to get calls. So if you're thinking, you know,
Yeah.
you might be looking for some help with Derby, give us a
Yep,
call.
absolutely. Well, for this recipe and many other recipes, or if you're interested in information about the catering, go to our website at WTBQ.com/Midday Kentucky. Go to our recipes tab, or you can contact Miss Allison at wildtimecooking.com, or you're all over Instagram too,
Yeah,
right?
at Chef Allison Davis, and then we are also on Instagram at Wild Time Cooking.
All right. Well, we will be right back right after this short break. Keep it right here. You're watching Midday Kentucky.